video, we're going to show you how to assemble your Fenix chair. You would have received your Fenix chair in a box like this. You would have either purchased a Fenix task chair or a Fenix Executive with a headrest. In this video, we are going to assemble the Fenix Executive with a headrest. The assembly of the task and the Executive is exactly the same, except that the Executive has a headrest. Let's get started. The first item you'll find in the box is a Ziploc bag. In the Ziploc bag, there are two documents. The first document refers you to our helpline, should you require assistance in assembling your chair. The options are either contacting our landline, our email address, or our online chat. On the back of this document is a QR code linking you to a YouTube video on what is a good sitting position. The second document are our assembly instructions. The next thing in the box is another box. In this box is your gas lift and your casters. The armrests follow the left-hand side and the right-hand side. The nylon base, the mechanism, the seat, and the backrest, and the headrest. We're now all ready to assemble your Fenix chair. We will start by fitting the casters to the nylon base. Find a flat surface, turn the nylon base upside down, take your first caster and push it into the base. Do exactly the same with the next four legs. Once you have fitted all the casters, turn the base the right way around, take your gas lift and drop it into the base. And place the base on the floor. We are now ready to fit the headrest to the backrest. Take your backrest and place it face down on a firm surface, preferably on the edge. Take your headrest. Please note on the headrest that the fastener to secure the headrest onto the backrest is already attached to the headrest. There is also a groove in the headrest which aligns with the notch at the back of the backrest. And lastly, there is a lip on the headrest which fits onto the top of the backrest. We start by fitting the lip of the headrest onto the backrest, aligning with the notch. Push down. Once you have pushed it down, you can then tighten this fastener. And that's your headrest fitted to your backrest. We are now ready to fit the armrests to the seat. Take the seat, place it on your firm surface again, with the front logo furthest away from you. Take the right-hand arm with the letter R inscribed at the bottom of the armrest. From this perspective, the right-hand arm will be fitted to the left-hand side of the seat. The fasteners we'll be using to fit the armrest to the seat, the 6 M6x35 fasteners together with the washer. push the armrest in and tighten. Once you're finished with the right end arm, take the left arm and do exactly the same. We have now fitted the armrest to the seat. We are now ready to fit the mechanism to the seat. Take the seat and turn it upside down, placing the seat on your firm surface with the front logo furthest from you. Take the mechanism and place it on top of the seat with the backrest locator bracket closest to you. To fit the mechanism to the seat, we are going to use the 4 M6x25 cap screws together with a washer. Place all 4 cap screws into the mechanism and then tighten. I have now fitted the mechanism to the seat. We are now ready to fit the backrest to the mechanism. Take your seat and just put it on top of your firm support. Take your backrest and slide it into the hairpin locating bracket of the mechanism. The screws we are going to be using are the M8x20 screws, fitted with a spring washer and a standard washer. Place the first screw into the middle hole. Once again, fit all 3 screws first before tightening. Tighten with your Allen key. We have now fitted the backrest to the mechanism. And the final step is to fit the base to the chair. Place your chair on its side on your flat surface. Take your base and fit the gas lift into the mechanism. And that's your Fenix executive chair assembled. Please make sure to watch the next video on how to use your Fenix chair.